Hi guys, it's Simran here, and today I am coming up with a really exciting video because I am going to showcase the 5 most favorite lipsticks that I have and that I love to apply on daily basis. So let me just jump into the video because I cannot wait to show you guys my 5 most favorite and most used lipsticks. So I will start from my least favorite and go to my most favorite lipstick. So the least favorite lipstick is Foxy Beauty. It is a light nude shade which actually does not kind of suit my skin type, but I love the color. So that's why it's my least favorite, because it does not suit my skin shade. I can use this for double shading my lips. So I'll be showing a swatch of every lipstick that I will be showing you all. The first is Foxy Beauty. As you can see, it is a very light nude shade which I mostly use for in-lips shading. Let's head on to my next favorite, least favorite, you can say the second least favorite lipstick. It is the Berompt matte lipstick. It is a metallic matte lipstick which has a tint of shine to it, but I do not like it as much because of the metallicness. I prefer to get into more of matte lipsticks rather than the metallic ones, but I love the color, so that's why it falls in the list of my most 5 favorite lipsticks. So as you can see, the color is really beautiful. It is a brownish kind of nude, but the only problem is that it's metallic. So that's why it is second least favorite. Let's head on to the third lipstick that I like from the bottom. It's the Huda Beauty matte lipstick. It is a bit of a pinkish nude shade. I am more of a nudes girl, I know, but when you see my first and the most favorite lipstick, it is a drastic change. So let me swatch this lipstick for you. So as I said, it has a pink tint to it. The only reason why it is on the third place is because it's pinkish. I'm more into nudes. So let's head on to my fourth favorite, actually second favorite lipstick. It is also the Huda Beauty matte lipstick. So this is also the Huda Beauty, and it is more of a brown nude in a bit lighter shade. That's why I like it. As you can see the swatch, it is a beautiful color. The texture is really nice, the pigmentation is really nice, and it is a brown. That's what I love about it, that it is brown nude and it looks amazing on my skin color. So girls with my skin color, go for this shade. We have finally reached to the part of my most favorite lipstick. It is also a matte lipstick, it is also a liquid matte lipstick, but it is way different from all these colors. Let me introduce to you the Shills Professional Matte Me lipstick in the shade Maroon Mauve. I love this shade. It looks beautiful on my skin color, and girls who are into darker shade with my skin color with a warm undertone, please, I request you all try this shade out. It is beautiful. Let me show you the swatch. Just look at it. Just look at the pigmentation. Just look at the color, how beautiful purplish mauve it is. It will look so pretty on my skin color because I am a warm undertone and I am more of a nudes girl, but this is my most favorite lipstick. Even though it is matte, it is liquid, but I am in love with this lipstick because it looks beautiful on me. So as you can see the pigmentation on my hand, I think it's better that I show you how it looks on my face and on my lips. My most favorite color. I mean, honestly, how can you not fall in love with this color? Girls with my skin tone, get this for yourself. So I hope you guys like the choice of lipsticks that I have, and I hope you guys love the colors. So every girl out there, whoever are confused as to what color suits best for your skin tone, like and comment on this video. I will help you out as to which color will suit your skin color. And subscribe to our channel Foxy. Follow us on Instagram, Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorial. Follow me on Instagram, your favorite makeup artist, Makeover by Simran. And you can buy all these beautiful lipstick shades that I just showed you from masmerize.in. Thank you.